So how do you charge the iPad quickly? Let me explain it. If you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So there are a few things you should know. If you check out the official Apple support page, you can definitely use fast charging with the iPad, but it all comes down to the model of the iPad and also the power brick which you are using. So you can see that you can fast charge the iPad Pro M5 model, right? So it applies to this one, and there is like a specific toggle, or metric that 50% battery is going to be reached in about 30 minutes, but you have to use the USB-C cable on the iPad Pro M5 model and also use a 60-watt or higher power adapter, right? So that's kind of important. You always have to check out the wattage of the power brick which you are using, because this might limit the speed of the charging. Because if you're using something like the one from the iPhone's charger, you know, the iPhone power brick, which is only like 15 watts, then it's obviously going to take much longer to charge the iPad. So you have to basically just have a power adapter which is good enough, right? You can see 40 watt, 60 watt. This is what you need to do to have like this quicker charger. So essentially just get like a quick charger power brick. Make sure you use USB-C cable because that one is obviously faster, and also make sure you don't charge it from the computer, for example, because that's going to make it slower, right? And you also shouldn't really use the device in the process, because that's not ideal. And you can also just enable the airplane mode to make sure that the iPad doesn't drain the battery while you charge it, to make sure it goes even faster. But that's essentially it. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.